You go now.
Never lie, right, man.
More this life, man. Never lie. Ballad, say go ballad. Bah.
Today, man, you see it?
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Check out the WhatsApp group, Instagram, and them thing there. Arizona boss, long time in a year from you. Anyways, wanna see the video a little while? This video I go around on internet. We have 2 videos. Cause I do my research and them boy they are posed with gun. Now the title of my video say them a movie bad boy, big pussy. I pose with gun like them name G0TTI. Look where badness gone to. Now me I play a clip of how my class them boy and then me go talk about it. Me have 2 videos where me go talk about boy them there on the internet a show gun and a send threat. Movie bad boy, them a big pussy. I pose with gun like them name G0TTI. Listen to this. Jamaica is filled with these 87s, like Sir P said. Me, I call them 28s, and I'm gonna explain 28s right now. Look at the screen in front of you. This is my graph explaining how I apply numbers to the Jamaican gangs them. And this is from a gang called the Numbers Gang out of South Africa, but I am applying it to Jamaica. Look at the screen, it said the 26 are responsible for gambling, smuggling, and wealth. The 28s are the warriors and responsible for fighting on the behalf of all 3 groups. The 27s are the guardian of the law and peacekeeper. Alright, when you see them little waste money, we did don't predict so them things are gonna happen, you know, from long time. Because you see, we as human beings, we still don't even understand the psyche, the brain, and we're just like animals. If anything, we're worse than animals because we have imagination, and with imagination, that's how things become possible. You understand? So how me know this day gonna happen? I remember back in the days, them come out to that show named Running Man, where Arnold Schwarzenegger, in some reason, end up in some dilemma. I don't know if he was a prisoner or something, but he end up on a show. And the people in the arena, like National Arena Stadium, a big stadium, and them are watching, and you have different people who you compete with, and to get that, you have to kill, and you are the last man of the left standing. Now, you have another show named the Death Race, are the same principle. Now, me feel like with new technology and them thing that, me know so them thing that ever be possible. Cause people like glorify violence. Let me explain how a criminal mind works for you, so only can understand what I talk about. You see a criminal mind, this is how it works. When you see a man do something, and then the name coming out the newspaper and on TV, even if them get arrested, them feel glorified. That's the feeling you get. It's like you're a star. It's like you're a superstar. Your name in the news, you're a bad man, your things there on news flash, and you're in the paper, the media, you're there on YouTube. So this is the kind of feeling a criminal get when them do things like this. I mean, they know that this was possible and this was going to be possible. I predict this. Can't ask my friend them. But when I say the police them need to catch them boy, look on them little boy, the whole of them bleach out in a tight pants, look like them hungry in a bumper clean, and I walk with gun and I put it on TikTok to intimidate people. Yo, me know some boy them, you know, we one place on the hang out right now, and are some of the most biggest set of pussy them. But when you're around them have gun in them pocket, them have gun like them are this, them are that, and them nah do nothing. Them go back right home to them blood clot mama and them race girl. And me tell the man them, I say, yo, you see when me there around, you know pull out no blood clot gun around me, you know. Cause me call police on a bomber clot. I saw countryman stay, you hear me? So them boy, police need to catch them. You understand? And I saw the criminal mind work. Them get glorified. And I like say, yo, me after me wanted and police I look for me, my name in the news media, me go cry, I'm depressed. No. Criminals don't feel like that. But that said, now move on to the next blood clip video and talk about the other waste man. Let's go.
Man, some boy up on the media track, man. Time holding a phone on the room, man. I'm booking on there, the ear. I'm born on the face, pussy. I feel like a killer them ramp. One South Spring Bandits, man. Fully 6. No pussy test, either. Man, some boy up on the media track, man. Time holding a phone on the room, man. I'm booking on there, the ear. I'm born on the face, pussy. I feel like a killer them ramp. One South Spring Bandits, man. Fully 6. No pussy test, either.
This is another waste man where him stand up and him have video himself and him have a rifle and him have say, boy, when him see certain man I road him have pop them skull on Salt Spring and a 6 badness. No, if I'm lying, you can't make me know. It's a 6. That ugly brother there, what name? Squash. You know, him are the boss for 6. And them a big time musician and shop done. And them a war and a Salt Spring mobile. Now, the youth here, police for catching. But another thing where me notice about a boy, yo, and my view pointed out, my view TV, the boy fully dunce. Why I'm fully dunce? Well, him do the video, and if you notice, him do it in the mirror and him there far back, and him have the emoji. I guess it's supposed to cover up him face, but it missing face. And then him do the video and put it out on him TikTok and Instagram. So now, look how him look. He's a light skinned dude, you know, like him bleach out. So in the video him look black, but on him Instagram handle and him picture, I saw him look white. Fully dunce my yo, you're pum pum, you're fully dunce. Yo, police are gonna kill you. Me can't believe where badness gone to. Cause me remember a real bad man moving in silence. A real bad man no flex like that. Now, me want the police catch them boy. And when the police catch them, the police will parade them on TV and make everybody know. Them boy are fully dunce or some idiot them. And my goal is to rid Jamaica of them sicko yo. Movie bad boy, them a big pussy. I pose with gun like them name G0TTI. Hungry badness, crazy badness, and movie badness. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Click on another video. And like me say, I saw me keep it raw. Me not politically correct. And me just say it as it is. If me was a bad man on a step, them boy I couldn't flex with me. Would have been out them out. Police would have find them in a one trash can, yo. I'm out.